7-minute workout that you can do in your PJs. Now, this is all about taking control of your health. Let's make your health your priority. Just 7 minutes. Easy to do, all standing, and you can do it in your PJs. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here's a preview of move 1, which is a bit of a warm-up as well. We're just going to tap your foot out either side, alternate, taking the arms in front and then above. So let's get ready. We're going to start with this move. So we're going to do this for a duration of 50 seconds. There is your timer on the left. This weight loss exercise we're going to call is in and out style. So just keep going. Now, the most important thing when it comes to exercise for weight loss is consistency. You want to make it part of your lifestyle. And the great thing is you can do this in your pajamas. All right, so let's just keep going. Take the arms in front, then above. Tap that foot out. So this one move is a full body move. That's how we're really then increasing your calorie burn, because we're working lots of different muscle groups. And take those arms above, then in front. So just 50 seconds each move today. And well done. That's move 1 done. You just march it out. And we'll just have a look at move 2. So this one here, I call this one cross-country skiing. Just imagine that we are just skiing. Just take those arms nice and big. That's good. So this is weight loss exercise 2. And again, 50 seconds. You can see on the arrow on the left, and plus you've got your 7-minute countdown clock on the right. So just give me a nice bend through the knees. So your second weight loss tip is do exercise you like. If you don't like burpees, don't like running high intensity weights, don't do it. Do stuff you like. If you like a quick, easy workout you can do in your pajamas, then that's the perfect workout for you. All right, that's good. And just keep going. So really nice full swing with the arms. So this one again is a really lovely full body move. Again, this is how we're going to increase your calorie burn. And well done. All right, let's just march out. Let's have a look at your next move. So this one, we're going to just open up through the chest. You take your arms up, elbow height, and just open. And then we're just going to squeeze that leg behind. So we call this the squeeze and lift, move 3. So again here, think of all the muscles we're working your glutes, your thighs, we're also working the arms. And the great thing is, by doing these special moves that I create means that you can do these short workouts, because we're achieving so much in a short amount of time. And of course, a short workout you'll like and you can be consistent. That's good. And just really open up wide through those arms, squeeze those legs behind. So we're just really working through the glutes. And this is all low impact, so that's where we can just do this in socks. You don't even need trainers on. And well done, just march it out. Let's have a look at your next move coming up. So this one, we do the skater slide. So just imagine we're skating, we're gliding along, and just reach that arm across. And as your qualified online trainer, I've been teaching, well, nearly 30 years. I qualified in 1997. And I've always been about wanting to create free workouts for everyone, because our health is our priority. And exercise is key when it comes to weight loss and better health. All right, that's good. And just keep reaching those arms across. Tap that foot behind. Doing really well. Let's just keep going till the arrow reaches the top. Last little bit of this move. And you can see the timer there. We're well over halfway on the workout. So just march it out. So next move, we're going to do a traveling side step for 2 and just do arms. So we're just going to pull the arms down. That's good, and just keep going. So this is a double step with pull down arms. So again here, working lower body, you're working your upper body. And then just keep that going from side to side. And think of it like this. What you're doing right now is you are creating your future health. Every time you work out, you're investing in tomorrow's health, as well as your well-being, how you feel right now. All right, that's good. So it's 2 of those double side steps. And next time you come back and do this, you don't have to have me talking. You can just put on your favorite music as well. And that's good. All the way to the end, 50 seconds on that move. All right, you just march out. Let's have a look at your next move. We're going to do cardio punches and these ab knee drives, 4 of each. So let's get ready. Give me a power punch now. And now give me these knee drives for 4. So this weight loss exercise number 6 is cardio abs. And if you are looking to lose weight for better health, remember that's the only reason we should be doing it. I've got lots of my healthy eating ebooks because nutrition is key. You can find all the details for those in the description down below. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So punch those arms in front, knee drive, and do let me know in the comments down below, would you like more of these PJ workouts? Because I can definitely create lots more for you with these low impact full body moves. And nearly done. All right, that's good. And just march out. So let's have a look at your last move, move 1. We're going to do these waist bends from side to side for 4, and then 4 of these straight leg kicks. And we'll call this one core control. So go from side to side, and now give me those leg kicks. So this is really activating and working deep through those core muscles. Doing really well. That's good. And just go side to side. And then just give me that kick. Keep that upper body nice and straight. Well done. And really feel that working through those abs, through the waist. And because this is all low impact, you could do this workout every single day. You could make this one your consistent one that you like, and one that's short and that's free and effective. All right, so let's just march out. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. And what we're going to do, we are going to stretch, but before that, if you want to, you can hit pause and take a quick little water break. So first stretch, we're going to take 1 foot behind and have both feet pointing forwards and feel that lovely stretch all through the calf muscle. And it's really important always to stretch after a workout. Just helps to really realign your muscles, and it just obviously prevents any injuries. Let's now take that to the other leg. So again, just where that arrow is pointing, feel that through that calf muscle. And now we're going to come up and take that to a hamstring stretch. So hands are always on the bent leg, feel that stretch behind. And on your health weight loss journey, don't forget on my website, I've got lots of online courses, healthy eating books, my exercise workout cards. There's everything, something there for everyone. So do have a look. You can find that at lwrfitness.com. All right, that's good. So now let's come up to standing. Just feel that quadricep stretch running down the front of the thigh. Make sure your supporting knees slightly bent. Just feel that stretch. Let's take that to the other side. And do let me know in the comments down below how you're getting on your health journey. And as I said, I'd love to know if you've enjoyed this PJ workout. If you'd like more workouts in your PJs, let's take those arms behind, feel that through the chest. And now take one arm up, feel that tricep stretch. And then take that to the other arm. So well done, there is your high five. And as I always say, you can do these workouts in your PJs. And the great thing is, in your PJs today, we've just worked on your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.